In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location using Nordvpn, a handy tool for anyone concerned about online privacy or wishing to access content that may be restricted in their current region. We'll guide you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll be able to browse the internet from virtually anywhere in the world with just a few clicks. First things first, if you haven't already done so, make sure you have the Nordvpn app installed on your device. You can download it directly from the Nordvpn website if you're using a PC. Once you have it installed, open the app to get started. When you open Nordvpn, you'll see a world map featuring numerous pins across different countries and regions. This is where the fun begins. Each pin represents a server you can connect to, effectively changing your online location. Now to begin, you'll need to navigate to the selection that says countries on the app. This part of Nordvpn organizes different servers by location, making it easy for you to choose where you want to virtually be. Clicking on this section will present you with a list of countries where Nordvpn has servers. The great thing about this feature is its simplicity. Instead of dealing with complicated configurations, Nordvpn offers a user-friendly interface designed for both novices and tech-savvy users alike. Find the country you wish to set as your virtual location. It could be anywhere from Canada to Japan, or even somewhere in between. Simply click on the country name, and this will select a server based in that location. At this stage you haven't yet connected to the server, but you've told Nordvpn that this is where you want to appear from. Next comes the most crucial part, connecting to the server. To do this, go ahead and hit the connect button. Doing so will establish a secure connection between your device and the server located in your chosen country. It's pretty quick. Within a few moments, your internet traffic will be securely routed through this server, making it appear as if you're browsing from your new virtual location. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've changed your online location using Nordvpn. Remember, this is not only great for accessing region-specific content, but also adds an extra layer of security to your online activities. You can easily switch locations at any time by repeating these steps and choosing a different server. I hope this guide was helpful to you. Exploring the internet with a VPN can open up a world of possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more easy to follow tech guides. Happy surfing!